Very good morning, dear children. Jai Swaminarayan. So, welcome back to Atmiya Green School, Jadeshwar branch. So, this is your English class, and we will do today the periodic test revision paper on the Google Forms. Now, this you can see when once I send you the link, you have to click on that link, and this is the form which you will be getting it. Now, on the display screen, you can see that it's written Standard 8 English Periodic Test Revision Paper. Then the next thing what you have to do is you have to write your name with class. So I have written, for example, Sunita Patnaik Standard 8. So I have written my name and the class Standard 8. So you need to write your name, your full name with Standard 8. Now after you finish that, then you will get the next option, next. Okay, so then you have to click over there. Once you click over there, the next page which will come is the question paper, the questionnaire you will be getting. Now here it's given, give word meanings, and here are some options given, and for this you will be getting 1 mark. Okay, so the first question which is given is daunted, and the options which are given is happy and frightened. So you have to put a tick against the correct answer. Suppose you feel that frightened is the correct answer, then you need to put a tick against frightened. Suppose after few seconds you feel that no, frightened is the wrong answer, happy is the correct answer, you can select it. Okay, so this is how you are going to select. So daunted means frightened. Frightened is the correct answer. If you put a tick against both the answer, then you will get wrong. Okay, so you have to click only on one option, that is frightened. So that is the correct answer. So I have put a tick against frightened. Now the next is parlor. Parlor means a room meant for receiving guests or a room meant for receiving products. So you have to put a tick against the correct answer, and you will get 1 point for that. Then you have the next question, call on. Call on means visit or trip. So whatever is the correct answer, you have to put a tick against the option. Okay, then we have titular. Titular means bearing a subtitle or bearing a title. So these are the two options given. You have to click on the correct option and you will get 1 point for that. Then the next one is acquaintance. Acquaintance means a person who is not a friend or a person who is a friend. So you have to put a tick against the correct option. Now once you put a click on all the options which are correct, then you can go to the next page. So once you click on next, then you will go to the next page. Now here you can see again the next page which has come. We have completed the A section. Then now we are coming to the next section, that is B, and here it's written complete the sentences by choosing the correct option. Now the first question given over here is Miss Lucy endured her loneliness with composure, but at Christmas it came upon as an illness because. Now you can see 4 options have been given over here, and you have to put a tick against the correct option, and then you will get 1 marks for that. She was nostalgic about her childhood. The cold weather added her ailment. She realized how lonely she was. The helpers at her place looked days off to celebrate. So you have to put a tick against the correct option. Then we have the next question. Miss Lucy and her sister had been brought up on a fixed idea, and this idea was that Christmas is the worst time of the year. One can rely on one's family. People in the world are not reliable, or the Queen family could socialize with only a few in the city. So you have to put a tick against the correct option, and then you can go to the next page. Now here you can see we have completed page 4. Now this is the page 5 we have come to. Now here it is given Answer the following questions by selecting the correct option. Now here children, this is a different style of option which has been given. Now this is called the drop box option. Now you can see the question given over there. What was Miss Lucy hoping for and why? Now you might be thinking, which are the options? You cannot see the option. So you can see choose is written over there. Then you can see the arrow which is going down, that is the drop box symbol. So once you click over here, you will get two answers. She was hoping for an event that would end her life, or because everybody was close to her had moved on. And the next option is she was hoping for an event that would end her life because everybody from her had moved on. And if you scroll the screen, then you will get the answer. So whichever answer you feel is correct, you need to select that. Suppose I select the first one, then it will come. You can see the answer which I have chosen over here. Okay children, now the next one is, in what ways is the friendship between Miss Lucy and Chester unusual and remarkable? Again the choices have been given. Two choices are there. You have to select one option. Okay, then let's select one. Okay, now Margaret V. Mount Jackson was an American author. Now here again two options are there, false, true. So whichever you feel that is correct, you need to go with that. So we are on the fourth page, we are not on the fifth page, we are on the fourth page. This is the fourth page. Okay children, so suppose answer is true, I will click on true. So I have got the answer true, though I'll be getting 1 point if it is the correct answer. Okay, now we will go to the next page. Now on the next page, you can see that it's written, watch the video attached and write whether the statement is true or false. Now this is a video of Abdul Kalam, and the story is about a lesson for my teacher. So you have to listen and watch the video very carefully and answer the questions which has been given below by selecting the correct option. So let's see the video.
Famous films Shivati. Every evening, I came home from the mosque.
I'll start the video again.
To listen to it. I always felt like a stranger. I lived on the mosque street, Rameshwar, a city famous for its Shivati. Every evening, I came home from the mosque. I would linger.
So this is the story about Abdul Kalam ji.
Felt like a stranger here as the temple goers stared suspiciously. They probably wondered what a Muslim boy was doing in front of a temple. The truth was that I loved to listen to the rhythmic chanting of the mantras, though I never understood a word. There was a strange magic in them. Of course, something else led me there. My best friend, Ramanath Shastri,
So his best friend was
priest,
Ramanath Nathan Sastri.
beside his father in his car, reciting hymns. Ram would steal a smiling glance at me from time to time. At school, Ram and I always sat together on the first bench of our classroom. We were like brothers. However, being a Hindu priest's son, he wore a sacred thread, while my white cap marked my beside the temple priest's son? He shouted. Go sit on the last bench. I felt hurt. With tears in my eyes, I picked up my books and shifted to the last row. Ram and I wept together silently after school. We thought we would not be allowed to be friends anymore. When I reached home that day, my father looked at me and asked, are you crying? What's wrong, son? I recounted the whole incident to my father, while Ram also told his family the same story. Early the next morning, Ram came running to our house and said, Father has asked you to come to our house immediately. I was terrified. I thought I was in for some murder. We hurried back to Ram's house. My heart skipped a beat when I saw our new teacher standing there. In the light of our discussion, apologize to Kalam here, said Ram's father with a stern face. I could not believe what I had just heard. The head priest was asking the teacher to apologize to me. No child is less than another in God's eyes. It is your duty as a teacher to help students live in harmony in spite of the differences in their background. You can no longer teach in this school, he said. Our teacher immediately asked me to forgive him. He hugged me and said, I am sorry, Kalam. I have learned an important lesson in life today. Ram's father saw that the teacher sincerely regretted his behavior and permitted him to continue teaching. From that day on, Ram and I sat together proudly on the front bench. We have remained best of friends ever since.
So, this was the story of Abdul Kalam ji, a lesson for my teacher. Okay, children. So, now based on this video, a few questionnaire has been made for you, and you have to write whether the statement is true or false. So you have to select the correct options. Kalam's closest friend was from Hindu Brahmin family. So you have to put a tick against the correct option whether it is true or false. Then the next one is Kalam lived on the temple street at Rameshwaran. Then the next one is the teacher liked the fact that the Hindu boys in his class were friends with the Muslim boys. Then the next question is Ramananda Shastri's father reprimanded the teacher. Then the next one is Kalam always used to linger near the Shiva temple. So these are the questions given based on the video which you saw just now, and you have to put a tick against the correct option. Then you have to go to the next page. Now children, here I have not kept the option of required, but during the test I will keep the option required. So you have to attempt each and every question, and until and unless you do not attempt each and every question, you cannot move to the next page. But here I have, this is a revision paper, so I have not kept that option. So without attempting, I can move to the next page. So children, this is the next page. Give the relationship words for the following. Now you have to select the correct option. Okay, so here are the options which are given: siblings, mentor, colleague, antagonist, content. Okay, and the meaning has been given, and you have to relate it with the options which is given, and you have to put a tick against the correct option. Okay, so a person whom you work with, especially in a profession or a business, so you have to select whether it is sibling, mentor, colleague, antagonist or content. Okay, then the next one is children who have the same parents are known as siblings, mentor, colleague, antagonist or content. You have to put a tick against the correct option. Then the next question is a person whom you know and who can be helpful to you in your work. Then the next option is an experienced person who advises and helps somebody with less experience over a period of time. Then the next question is a person who opposes and contends against someone else. So this was the 6th page, and here we end with the questionnaire. Now after you end with the questionnaire, after you complete all the questions, attempt all the questions, the next thing what you have to do is you have to click on this submit option, and then what you will get the next page which you will get is the score page. Here it has been written that your response has been recorded. That means the teacher has already got the scores with her, and you will now view the square. The question answers have gone to the teacher and she has already checked it. Now you will see how much score you have got. So here the scores are 4 out of 20. Okay, so you are aware we have not gone through I have not attempted all the questions. I did not click on any option because I wanted to show you. So that is the reason I have got 4 out of 20. So this is how you are going to get your option, the scores. And here it is very clearly written that name of the name of the student with class. I have not mentioned my name, so my name did not come, and if my name does not go, that means your name does not come to me. I am not going to consider that paper at all. So compulsorily you need to write your name and you need to write your class. So please remember that, and it is a required question. Then the next one is give word meaning. So there were 5 questions and I have got one answer correct. And suppose the answer what I had done, if I have not written anything, then it will come as wrong, and if I have attempted and the answer is wrong, then I will get the correct answer solution also. So you will come to know which is the correct solution. So this is what, children, the paper will look like, and the scores will look, and this is how your answer sheet will be shown to you. So you can see here I have got all 0 0 0 because I have not attempted anything. Okay, so this is how you get your score and your answer solutions. So children, we will end the class over here, but then before ending the class, I hope this is all clear to you all, and this is how your paper will look and how you are going to attempt all the questions. Now once you open the Google form, the timings has been given to you all with the timetable and the portion. On 5th of August you are having your English paper. The timings have been given to you all, so you are supposed to be solving the paper in the mentioned timings, that is given from morning till night, and you can complete it. Once you open the papers, children, you have to attempt it completely. You cannot solve few questions and then do something else, or get into some other task and then come back and solve the paper. You cannot do that. Once you open the paper, you have to attempt it at one attempt only at one chance only. So you'll be getting only a chance. You are not going to get a second chance for whatever reason it might be. Okay, and I would suggest all of you to take a screenshot of each and every page which you are solving. Suppose if there is some technical issue and you are not able to submit, or you are not able to send it, or due to some internet problem or xyz reason, I would suggest you all to take a screenshot, then you can send it to me if I do not get the record. Okay, if you cannot submit, then you can send me the screenshot, otherwise it is not required at all. Okay, the subject enrichment activity, the project was given to you all, and the children, those who have not completed yet and not submitted yet, you are requested to kindly submit it before 14th of August. If I do not get on 14th of August, by 14th of August, then I'll be deducting the marks for the same. Already the children, those who have got, have sent me the projects. I have already uploaded it in the group. So children, those who are still pending with the subject enrichment activity, you are requested to kindly submit it on time. Okay, and this is not only for the subject English, I am talking about each and every subject which you are going to give the test for. Okay, and I hope everything is clear to you all children. And the next thing is the submission marks which you are going to get. The Google forms which we are sending, the revision paper which we are sending, the projects which we have assigned to you all, if you do not submit it on time, again you will be getting less marks for the submission, late submission. So kindly take care of it and submit your assignments which has been given to you all on time. So children, we'll end the class over here. Please take care of yourself, and I'll be sending a PDF of this. You are going to solve it as revision. You are going to solve this Google form, and you are also going to solve the PDF file. Okay, the worksheet which I'll be sending, revision worksheet. So thank you children. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. See you soon.